Hi there, I'm Fleur and welcome to my beginner Pilates course for people with back pain or people that have suffered back pain before. Now, what you'll be given is a video once a day for you to have a look at. Now, it's probably best to do it mid-morning. If you're a worker, then you might need to do it in the evening after work. But the reason for this is sometimes in the morning you wake up and you're a bit cold and stiff and a bit sore compared to, say, in the evening when you're a little bit more warmed up. So I suggest you have a go then when you're more comfortable. And do it very slowly and carefully. So the idea of this program is it's all about quality and learning the basics and the fundamentals of Pilates rather than having a really hard workout and getting sore and uncomfortable afterwards. So each exercise is very simple and basic, but it needs to be done precisely as it's shown in the video. Then if you do it once and you find that it's really a little bit too easy for you, then have another go at it so you can do it twice in the same day. But if you do feel any pain or discomfort during the program, I'd suggest you stop that exercise and try the next days. And I've written that quite a few times throughout the program so you don't forget that. And what you'll be given, as I said, is one exercise per day. You may do it a little bit faster if you feel like, say you've done Pilates before and you just wanted to go back to the basics and the fundamentals, but you sort of know what you're doing, then you can do it a little bit faster. But this is for people mostly that have never done it before. So that's why it's at a very slow pace, as well as people that have had, as I said, back pain or currently have a little bit of chronic pain. It's advisable that you get permission from a healthcare professional before you start it. And just be a little bit cautious if you do feel yourself, your pain getting worse or flaring up, stop straight away and then have a break for a few days or go on to the next exercise. And if that's still a problem, then unfortunately this may not be for you, but it's very basic, so it should be okay for most people. Feel free to send me any questions that you have. Find me on Instagram or Facebook, or you can through obviously this program. And at the end, on day 20 and day 21, you'll be given more of a comprehensive program. So I'll suggest what you should do after that. But for now, just take it step by step, enjoy the process, and I'll see you towards the end.